You have already created your developer account in iTunes or Google Play. It's time to go back to the builder to automate the upload process. As you will remember, we decided to use the upload with ID method. First thing you will find when you choose this option are two boxes in which you must determine which operating systems you want to publish. Check only the platform on which you want to publish, the one for which you have created your developer account. Since I have created my account on both platforms, I will leave both marked. Click on Continue. In this window, you will be asked to enter your credentials in the Google Play Developer Console, as they were initially configured. If you have doubts about the data you entered, you can consult them by visiting your profile settings on the corresponding websites of each platform. Perform the same action in the iOS window by entering name, last name, email, and iTunes Connect password. By entering the corresponding data in the Publishing with Own ID boxes, we have almost completed the automation process. For everything to work properly, we recommend that you deactivate the verification options in 2 steps, at least until the publishing process is complete. Our bots will take care of accessing your developer accounts and uploading the app, although the 2-step verification method could cause the block of the automated system when trying to access your account. To disable 2-step verification in Android, sign in to My Google account and enter the username and password for the account with which you created your developer profile. Click on Sign In and Security, and here, where 2-step verification is indicated, press Enter your password and click Deactivate. Confirm deactivation. The process with your Apple account is different. If you have it enabled, access Apple ID by typing the URL appleid.apple.com /en and select Manage your Apple ID to sign in. Enter your username and password when asked and select Password and Security here in the left panel. Scroll down here and click on Deactivate Verification in 2 steps, where you will be asked to enter 3 security questions and their corresponding answers. It is important to remember them, as they may be required to access any Apple domain that requires login and password. Finally, enter your birth date and recovery email to access in case you ever need to recover your credentials. Click Continue and confirm deactivation. You will receive a verification email. Validate that you have deactivated the verification process in 2 steps. That's it! Once you have entered the access data for your developer profiles and you have deactivated the verification in 2 steps, you will be ready to publish your King of App applications in your own profile in each of the marketplaces. This is the end of Module 3. You will now start the 4th chapter of this course, where you will complete the data and information necessary for your application to be published in app stores.